Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider. It's time to talk about Shiba Inu. Why did it jump a lot? Do I think if it's going to go up more or if it's going to go down further? And what am I doing with Shiba Inu coin? So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin jumped to 34,000. Like I said before, it did not break the support of 40,000. So it's really important support level, 40,000. And then it jumped back again, 40,000 to 45,000. After that, 50,000 is now 54,000. So the next goal is gonna be 100,000. I think it's gonna happen in October. I believe so. It's gonna hit 60,000 or more. So let's look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu hit 0.4037. 0.4037. So it used to be only about 0.50 and 693. That it jumped three times. And it hit all-time high of 0.03880. Look at this one. 3880. 403880. So back then, people started dumping. The issue with Shiba Inu is that when it goes up, everybody start putting their money in. But when it's gonna hit the resistance, everybody start dumping the Shiba Inu again. So that's one thing that I do not like about Shiba Inu. So it's speculated. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is now 3600 right now. It holds the support of 2800. It's very important. Like I said in the previous videos, 2800 is a very support level. If it can hold 2800, then it just went up to above 3000, 3600, 2500. So the next level is gonna be 4000. So how about Dogecoin? Dogecoin bounced from 20 cents. Like I said before, 20 cents is a very important support level. Then it jumped to 25 cents, then 27 cents, then it is now back down to 24 cents. So it's happening going up. So Shiba, why did it jump? Because of Elon Musk tweet. Some celebrity influencer tweeted that Shiba Inu coin charges 55%. What did he tweet? He tweeted his dog, which is Shiba Inu, Flocky. I think there's another Flocky coin. Flocky coin. If you are interested, you can basically gamble your money. I believe don't use your money that you cannot afford to lose. Shiba Inu, Flocky, any other coins. I think it's just speculated, very speculative coin. There's no fundamental behind. So Shiba Inu jumps 55% on exchange rumor. Not only Elon Musk, but because of the exchange. They are working on things like decentralized exchange. So it's happening. Those creators who created Shiba Inu, they created Shiba Inu coin as a joke. Then after that, they probably change their mind. They want to do something about it. But I think it's a long way. It's a long way to go. So I'm going to tell you what I think at the end of the video. Shiba Inu will buy 6.3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens over the 2 days. So what is Wei? Wei is somebody who owns a lot of crypto, any crypto. So if it's Bitcoin Wei, it means that someone who owns a lot of Bitcoin. So Shiba Inu had another spike, but will it last? This article say it's just like going to casino, and don't bet more than what you can afford to lose. I believe so. I believe it's just very speculative, but on the other side, I also believe that Shiba Inu could rise more. I'm gonna tell you why. This article said Shiba Inu is very suitable for only the most speculative crypto investor. I agree with that. It's very speculative because it has so many trillions of volume, and they make it so less than a penny because everybody can see that this is very cheap. I can buy. But they don't know about the market cap. They don't know about the value. So that's very important. So another reason I think Shiba Inu could jump is because of Robinhood effect. If Robinhood adds Shiba Inu, it could go up more. But remember, exchanges, they're gonna add whatever coin that's popular. They don't care about fundamentals. So they are there to make money. If you trade Shiba Inu, they make money. The more people they trade, the more they make money. And if the more people trade, they're gonna tell their friends, they're gonna trade more Shiba Inu. They make more money, so they're gonna add what's popular. So, but that's not a good long-term game. Look at Sundial. Sundial used to be very popular. It even hit $3 back in February. Now it's 65 cents. In 1 year, low is for 14 cents. So if you think 64 cents is low, think again. It could go down more. So look at the maximum. Look at that. It used to be $11 stock. Then it went down to 14 cents. Very very low. So 47. So look at that. Then it jumped back to $1, $2, but it never hit $10 again. So very very careful what you're investing. Make sure you do your due diligence. You study like crazy. If you are just starting out, you can get free stock. Just go to any of my YouTube video in the description or comment. You can get free stocks. This is a portfolio, automatic portfolio investing. You can buy Amazon or Tesla with just $1, and you can get free trading account. You can get free stock by opening. Just open 2 or 3 accounts, and you get free stock, and you see what you like, then you do it. So if you're interested in what I'm buying or selling, you can join the stock club as well. So if you want more videos, you can check out my playlist. You will see Tesla stock, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, stock trading, and other stuff, real estate. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.